Daddy, look
What
at
is it?
it.
Is it a flashlight?
Oh boy. I'm going to wear this to school when it is free dress.
Oh my. Veggie pet.
Jane. Pink Packers.
Awesome. Packers. Oh, look at what I got. Veggie pet. Awesome. Well, Mom, I got a Batman. His name is Star. Mom, his name is Star.
Open this one.
Mom, this name is
Oh
Star.
my.
Mom, this is Star. Mom, look at this is Star.
Awesome.
This is King Zoo Battle Hamster.
Oh. Oh. Look at all the stuff that's inside. It's like a regular pad. Yeah, that's a big mess.
A Packers shirt.
Notebook.
They're actually
And that's pink.
Oh.
Awesome. I love it.
Wow.
These pieces?
Is there anything else or no?
Dinosaur shirt and
Is that it, Grandmama?
it's learning too. I need to grow into these pants.
Yes, you do. I apologize for that.
Okay. This is really big.
Is there anything else for me, Mom?
No, baby. Remember you got your boots too. And you got your watch too.
What's that?
These are for Dane, I think.
What?
Ooh, I need to grow
fair.
into this too.
Oh, that's it.
I need to grow in this.
I think that one will fit you.
I'll see.
I think I do have to go into it. See? Do you think I'll have to go into it?
I think it'll fit you.
Said the book reading parrot named Polly. The words in this book are all Polly. You say them, your lips will make flips and backflips. And your tongue and
Yes, some other ones in here, Debbie.
oh my goodness. I can't even read this. Fisher.
Big with the big-hearted moose.
Mom. Fisher. Vicious.